Hello Pandora lovers! Today we have a very exciting video with the brand spanking new Pandora ME collection. So I'm super excited to see some of these pieces, and let's have a peek what we've got in the bag. So let's see what we have here. Oh, this feels heavy. I think we have quite a few pieces here. It's exciting. Let's see what we have inside. So first we have the Pandora ME link chain bracelet in silver. This is the one that has the mixture of sizes of links. We can see we have some larger links and then primarily smaller links with a smaller carabiner clasp. And this carabiner clasp is different to the old Pandora ME bracelet. I think it's much more elegant, and it kind of sits nicely with the link chains as well. So this one is the second version of the silver bracelet, the Pandora ME link chain bracelet. And on this one you see all of the links are the same size. I do think this is a really nice bracelet. It looks pretty just on its own. Again, it has the carabiner lock, but it's a larger lock to fit in with the size of the larger link. It's so exciting! And this is the necklace, the Pandora ME link chain necklace. I think it's a 45 centimeter length, but then with the different customizable links you can always shorten it, make it a choker, or you could just wrap it round and wear it as a, like, double it up or triple it up and wear it as a bracelet. So many different options. It's pretty cool. I really like the feel of it. Definitely one that will be fun to be layered with as well. And this is the rose version, which is a 14 karat rose gold plated finish. So again, the same length and then the same choice of customization with the links. I really do like the rose colour. So you see the mixture of the sizes of the links. You have a few larger links and then the smaller link and the smaller carabiner clasp again. This with the silver, they just look so pretty together, stacked as well. So there's three different necklaces here. The rose version with the larger and smaller links, and then the silver, which has the larger and smaller links, and also the one with all of the larger links. And the lengths are slightly different, so they'd all look good together. So let's see what we have here. This looks like another Pandora Rose piece, and it's the Pandora ME Rose Link chain bracelet, now called the Rose Gold Plated, 14 karat rose gold plated. So it looks like Pandora are dropping the Pandora Rose title on its own. And this one has all of the links the same size with the larger carabiner clasp as well. So very pretty just on its own, but then Obviously the dangles can be added onto the openable links. There are 3 openable links, or you could add the medallions on any of the links. Doesn't matter if they open or not. Lots of options for design and customization. Next, this is a very exciting piece. It's the Pandora ME Freshwater Cultured Pearl Bracelet, which is a combination. Half of it is made up of the pearls, which is quite stiff as you see here, and then the second part is the same as the silver link bracelet with the same carabiner clasp. Also on that side is 2 openable links. So you could customize the link side and then the elegant side of the pearls. And if you notice, they're all slightly different size. They don't have a manufactured look, they have a very organic look. So it's definitely an elegant piece that I think is going to have a big audience of people who like it. It's definitely my favorite from the collection. Okay, let's see what we have again. Some different options to style the bracelets and the necklaces. We have some rings as well, medallions, and some of the dangles. The medallions are a lot larger than the dangles, more like some of the old-fashioned Pandora pieces, but with the micro-sized clasp. Okay, first we have the Pandora ME Rose Burning Wings medallion, which is a gorgeous piece. The 2 wings are like 2 angel wings filled with little sparkling stones, and this can be put on the styling rings or even the other rings because it opens for itself. So let me just open it here. So this little pointy bit, I think if I pull here it should click open. Let me try. Well, we'll just pop it on this bracelet and we can see how that would work in place. And then when you do put it onto the bracelet, if you click it back, yeah, just like that, then you can see it's secure. And then it's spring loaded, so it won't just open up on itself when you're wearing it out and about. This is one of my favorite pieces from the collection. I think it's so elegant that even those who aren't necessarily part of Gen Z, they will be attracted to this, and paired with some of the, let's say, gentler pieces like the Pandora Rose, the Pave links, some of those pieces. It's an elegant way to wear the Pandora ME collection. Okay, next we have the Pandora ME Happy Mini Dangle, which is a really cheeky, playful little dangle. It's also got a freshwater pearl on it, but then decorated with a smiley face, which it kind of looks like maybe it's being put on there like graffiti, or it's just a fun take on the pearl. And this will fit onto the openable links, and it can go on the necklaces, it can go on the bracelets, the earrings, or even with the ring connector, it can go onto the rings. So if I take this one here, I can show you how it fits on, and then go to the link which opens. I'll just push down on it, and then I can slide him on, loop him on. Yep, and there we go. He's a little cutie. Sorry, my dog thought I was talking about him when I said little cutie. And we have another Pandora ME medallion. This one's called the Eye, and it's filled with quite a lot of detail. We have crystals and cubic zirconians as well as enamel. This one as well, like all of the medallions, it has the veil which opens So you can put it onto any of the links, not just the openable links. So we can put that onto a bracelet here. See how that works. And if I put it next to the dangle, you can compare with the size. See, the medallions are a lot larger in size. So quite a few different rings here, and different finishes, different colours. We have enamel, we have pave, rose, silver. And this first one here is Shocking Purple Ring, its name, and it's got hand applied enamel on it, overlaid onto a silver ring. I'll just pop it on there, and it's quite a slim band which is designed to be stacked, so on its own maybe it looks a little bit thin, but together it has a really big fun impact. And this is it in laser green enamel, and it's quite bright together with the pink one. And there's the rose version, 14 karat rose gold plated, which has just a single groove, adding a little bit of texture. Nice simple band. It's very pretty. And another rose version with pave. This one has 72 brilliant cut cubic zirconians. Next to the rose we have the silver version, also with the pave, 72 cubic zirconian stones, really sparkly. And finally we have a silver version, which has just got the same groove line, just given a little bit of texture. They were all very beautiful. And this little thing is the ring connector, and it can be used to style up to 2 of the rings together with up to 2 mini dangles. So if I just take these rings off, then I can join the rings together, and I should be able to add the dangle. Let me just take the dangle off from the bracelet, and let's see how this works. Yep. Okay, so just put that on there. Yeah. So this is my first time doing this. I'm learning just like you guys. So if you push down on the connector and then put the first ring on, you can put the second ring on, and then you just add the dangle, or the 2 dangles if you want, onto it. There we go. So show you how that will work. Yep, and there we have a little cute stack with a little dangle. So I really like the ring connector. It gives you so much option with your ring stacks, adding dangles and just also holding the rings together in a nice shape. Okay, next we have the styling round connector, and this can be used across all of the collection, the Pandora ME collection, and it can be used to hold up to 8 dangles or 3 medallions. And like the clasps on the medallions, it has like a hinge opening clasp, and it bounces back and it opens inwards, and then you can even just use it to change maybe the focal point. So if you wanted to mix up your link, remove some of the oblong links, you can put in some of these round connectors, change the style of your bracelet, or maybe make a focal point by putting this one in the center and having like the dangles or medallions coming off a round focal point. So my mind is pretty much blown with this collection. There's so many options, so many possibilities. You'll bear with me this week, and next week I'll be showing you how to design and create different options, and also how to incorporate the new Pandora relaunch pieces with older Pandora Me. They will incorporate together the original bracelet, the original dangles, and then also see what creations we can come up with together. This is an incredible collection. I'm really excited and a little bit daunted, I guess, because there's so many possibilities, but kind of a fun daunted. So I'm going to be busy. I'm going to be busy playing with this. It's like Meccano for girls, or let's not say Meccano for girls because girls could play Meccano, but a pretty Meccano, a jewelry Meccano, and it's going to be fun. So stay tuned and let's play together with Pandora Me.